Hey everybody, this is Shane. What's it today? I found out that my friends had actually put a video of me on YouTube that wasn't supposed to go up. And I had also found out that it is now on a website called, I believe, World Star Hip Hop. And it has approximately about 230,000 views. It's of me grabbing a friend of mine's tit, because as it says, I have never grabbed a woman's tit. But apparently, everybody thinks that just because I grab somebody's tit, that it's rape, or I'm a creep, or a stalker. Fuck you! I'm not a stalker! Fuck you! This shit's bull! No, fuck this. It's dumb. I'm tired of people. I read on there and people are being rude, but you got those average nice people out there who are like sticking up for me, which I appreciate. Those people are actually nice, you know? But fuck all you people that keep talking shit. I'm not a creeper, I'm not a stalker, I'm a good person. I'm friendly, I'm nice, but right now I'm fucking pissed. And y'all need to shut the fuck up. This is bullshit. I'm just really fucking pissed off right now. I swear to God. It's really annoying when you wake up after a long week of work, find out your friends put shit up on YouTube that you didn't ask them to do, and now it's all fucking viral and shit. I don't know how far that shit's gonna go. All I know is it's gonna keep going now. Fucking on some other website. I can't do nothing about it. Maybe I can. I just haven't taken the time yet. But fuck it. I'm really pissed off right now. I'd appreciate it if people just tone down shit. I'm not a stalker. I'm not a creeper. I'm just an average person